Hello everyone, my name is Nivedita Maheshwari and I'm 14 years old. I'm currently residing in Mumbai and I love to read, paint and solve Rubik cubes. During this lockdown, me and my cousin brother Manan, we both started a venture named Udan. We both love solving Rubik cubes and so we thought of starting to teach students the thing that we love to do the most. We also decided to sponsor one kid's education with all the necessary books and uniforms for a year. By our parents and students' support and also by God's grace, today we are in a position to sponsor multiple students. We would also like to thank the International Book of Records for giving us a platform and for also mentioning our name in the books. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Manan Nilesh Chandak. My cousin sister and I have been teaching Rubik's Cubes to students all across the globe. The funds collected in form of fees are donated to an NGO to help the underprivileged children. I thank International Book of Records for recognizing our work and giving us an opportunity to speak about it. Thank you. I really love Rubik's Cubes, and when I was 8 years old, I was really into the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, so I learned it through my cousin sister Nivi. Now during this lockdown, I saw the Indian Prime Minister on news and he was speaking about how we should be productive during the lockdown. So we had an idea that we should start Rubik's Cube classes and teach others how to solve it. So now I do the right side formula. Our first step to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube is to hold a yellow centerpiece at the top and form a white plus around it. And then our next step is we have to pair the edges, and then we have to use some formulas to solve the first layer and the corner pieces. Like, make like this, like petal these centers, like just match them up like this. So like match all of them.
Align these pieces over here, right? Like this blue got aligned and this yellow is over here. Now what do we want? People call us also and they tell us that how great it was and how their children's mobile time, their screen time has reduced a lot. So what they're doing now more is having their cubes in hand rather than their phones. So basically, can you see this? Okay, I've made these petals, I've aligned them all together.
Today I solved this 3x3 cube and I feel great.
I started 1 week ago to Manan's classes. I got inspired because my mom shared me an article in the newspaper which said that Rubik's Cube is the next world, and it's like very helpful because it helps you in your memory and it also strengthens your brain, and it also teaches you like how to find solutions and critical thinking.
My name is Sunina. Today I learned how to solve the 3x3 full cube, and this is a shuffled 2x2. I'm going to learn it after some time. Manan Bhaiya and Nivedita Didi teach me so nicely, and I like this class, and I also know about this cube is good for our memory and all. It keeps our brain sharp and all. That's why my mother told me to learn this cube. Thank you. My name is Gautam. Today I finished learning the pyramid cube, and even I have learned the 2x2 and the 3x3. I feel like the class is like very good, and because they're using the money for the charity and all, I feel like it's like very inspiring. Manan Bhaiya and Nivedita Didi like they teach like very nicely in a way that I can understand very fastly.